Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's my birthday today and we are having a short party, just my cousins and all. Of course it's quarantine time so we cannot have a good huge party. So I'll be doing a quick makeover and I thought of sharing with y'all. Let's get started. Okay, so to start with, I'll be first hydrating my skin.
I'll be using this moisturizer by Pond's. It's their light moisturizer, non-oily fresh fill. This is my current favorite one. I use it daily. It's not much sticky and works pretty well for combination skin like mine. I have mostly dry skin and oily in my T area.
Next I'll be starting with the base, so I'll apply this primer.
This primer is by Lakme. It's their Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer.
The next I'll be starting with foundation, so I'll be using this
Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation.
So I'll be using a very little foundation because I don't want to go so heavy. Blend this all over my face. That is enough. So next I'm going with the
Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium.
I don't want to go a lot. Blend it with my beauty blender. I'll set this with a loose powder, so I'll be using this one.
Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Leisure.
So I'll be just leaving this powder to bake it and we'll quickly go to the next step. So the foundation that I applied, I would like to set it with a compact powder. For that I'm using this one.
It's by Amway Attitude Compact Powder in the shade Light.
So I'll be applying this all over my face.
It's a really good compact.
I'll be using the same brush. The next I'll quickly do my brows. They're already fine but I need to fill them in some areas, so I'll just do that. Just brush them up.
It's by Sugar, their Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Jerry Brown. It's really inexpensive and works pretty well.
So yeah, the brows are done. Next I'll be doing my eyeshadow. For that I'll be using this palette.
This is by Sugar, their Blender Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Fetish.
So for the inner side I'll be going for this light color. And for the outer side I'll be going for this dark color here. Now just to add a little bit of glitter, I'll be using this shimmer over here. So I'll just put it in the between. Now I like to highlight my inner corner as well, so I'll be doing that. I'll just use my pinky finger for that. Now I'll leave it here and I'll go for contouring. So I'll be using this.
I'm using the Sugar Contour Palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and I'm using this drugstore brush to apply it.
Also contour my forehead. Okay, so that's done. I'll quickly do the blush and then go for highlighter. So the blush that I'm gonna be using is this one.
This is by Amway Attitude Blusher Duo. This has very good colors. One is Barely Pink and the other is Pitch Whisper. I'll be mixing both of the colors.
Really good blush. So I'll just be using this brush that they gave me with it. It works pretty good.
And what I love about this blush is it has a very subtle shine to it.
I like to use the blush all over my face, like to give the natural look. That's done. Okay, so the blush is done. I just get the excess powder out. Now I'll go for the highlight. The same palette I'm using. Applying some to my upper my eyelids, like below the eyebrows. That is done. Now I'll quickly be doing my eyeliner and I'll be using this one.
I'll be using this gel liner by Maybelline. It's their Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner.
So the eyeliner is done. Now I'll be quickly curling my eyelashes. So I'll be using this curler.
I'm using Vega Face Care Premium Eyelash Curler.
I'll quickly finish this with mascara. So I'm using this mascara.
This is Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. This is a very good mascara to give your lashes that good lift.
The mascara is done and I'm almost done. I'll just be finishing the look by applying a lipstick, which is very important. So I'll be using this one.
I'm using Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Ruler 80. These are probably the best matte lipsticks. Very easy to apply and not drying at all. They blend really smoothly on your lips.
My makeup is done and I quickly changed into my outfit.
So this is my outfit for the day. A very simple yet pretty dress. I really liked it and I bought it from a local shop nearby.
So I just want to take this time to thank you all. Thank you so much for making me feel so special.
Happy birthday to you.